day. This is a Kai module of figures of speech that is intended for grade 4. Its subject is English under the specialization of reading. The objectives of this module is that the pupils should be able to enumerate figures of speech, enumerate and differentiate figures of speech, and to determine the figure of speech in a given text or sentence. It is also to complete a mind map about the topic and to supply their own examples of specific figures of speech. This is just to note that you can click me, Fluttershy, or my friends each time you wish to go to the next slide. Attention please! Hi, Fluttershy here. I'm from My Little Pony. Have you read lines and stories that sound strange literally? Take it for example, let's read this comic strip. Anne, look at all these lovely little baby clothes. I must admit I am a bit jealous. It would be nice to be in your shoes. Here, they haven't fit for a week. Looking back, do you think the lady really wanted to be in her friend's shoes? She had a puzzled face when she gave her shoes. She gave her a pair of shoes. So let's remember the story that you read with Teacher Duff. It's Gilberto and the Wind by Marie Hall Etts. In the story, we learn that Gilberto refers to the wind as a person. But how were we able to learn that the wind is considered as a person in the story? Let us read these following sentences. Wind loves to play. Do you think the wind would really love to play? Wind loves umbrellas. Have you heard of wind who loves umbrellas?